Over the next few weeks, get ready for more monsoon rain and a multitude of mosquitoes. The calendar turns to August on Wednesday, which is typically Arizona's wettest month. As the rain falls, mosquitoes multiply. The Department of Health monitors and traps mosquitoes each summer. Maricopa County has a schedule of planned fogging operations to kill the insects. The more precautions taken, the less chance of West Nile virus spreading across the state.
The West Nile virus came to Arizona in 2003. According to the Department of Health Services, the virus is primarily carried by the Culex mosquito. Only 1 in 5 people will actually show the flu-like symptoms. Mosquitoes become infected with the virus after coming in contact with infected birds. Every month during the summer, the state collects over 300 samples of mosquitoes to test for the West Nile virus. Dead birds and horses are tested for the disease. This testing allows public health officials to identify communities at higher risk for mosquito-borne diseases.
So far this year, there have been 24 mosquito samples that tested positive for West Nile virus here in Maricopa County. And there's already been 1 confirmed case of West Nile virus this year, according to the Arizona Department of Health Services. Dafnis reports on how you can help prevent the spread.
During monsoon season, there is an increase in mosquitoes due to the amount of standing water. I met with the Department of Health Services to learn how you can protect your home and your family. Mosquitoes may be tiny creatures, but they can be a huge annoyance. And the Arizona Department of Public Health says during the summer, they can also be a huge problem.
With monsoon, we see an increase in rain in the valley and around the state of Arizona.
Moisture brings mosquitoes, and mosquitoes can bring diseases.
There's several mosquito-borne diseases that we watch for here at the Arizona Department of Health Services. Certainly West Nile virus is the most common, but we also see diseases like St. Louis encephalitis, which is a mosquito-borne disease. And then there's another kind of mosquito that also lays eggs and breeds in that standing or pooled water. And those mosquitoes can spread diseases like Zika, dengue, or chikungunya if those are present in our communities.
Even with Arizona's extreme heat and dry conditions, after a monsoon storm, stagnant water can be found anywhere, even in containers like this one. And this water becomes a breeding ground for insects who carry diseases, like mosquitoes.
It's really important after a rainstorm comes through that you clean up your yard. You wanna, if you've got a bird bath outside, kind of dump the water out of there. If you've got pails or kids' toys or dog bowls that are just stagnating, you wanna dump the water out, wipe out around the inside. Anything as you look around your yard that's just a source of standing water that's not moving and isn't chlorinated like your pool is, you wanna get rid of that water so you don't encourage mosquito breeding.
The department recommends that when you do go outdoors, you wear long sleeves. They know that may not be the most comfortable, so they say you can wear insect repellent instead. In Phoenix, Dafnis, Cronkite News.